YouTube? BP Car Audio, back with this thing. Customer claims that it turns on, no music comes out of it. Basically wanted me to check it over. I did a general repair on the power supply of this kicker here. It's a zx350.4 kicker amplifier. Basically a 4-channel amplifier. We got her all hooked up here to a lovely 4 speakers there. Using this. This is something I built a while back. A little self-contained box with the head unit in it. Eventually it will be painted black. So I'm using it right now to power this amplifier as far as signal goes. And then we got the amplifier hooked up to 2 of the deep cycle marine batteries rated at 100 amp hours each. And amp lights up just like it should. Hard to see because it's not very bright in general. The only thing I can figure out has happened here. It's got a set of switches right here. I can get this thing to focus or not. It's got a turn on switch for 12 volt DC audio. And then it's got an input level control. I have it on high right now, just for the much audio as this Sony puts out. We have a fader control, and then we've got a couple of crossover deals. Well, this amp is designed where right now I have one set of RCAs hooked up to the first channel, and then you push that button there and it brings up the back channels. And that channel works, that channel works, seems to work, and that one seems to work. So I don't know if the amplifier was just not set up right or what happened, but it seems to work. We got a couple of random tracks off of YouTube here to play for music, but it seems to work. In fact, it seems to work very well. We'll go high pass. Both channels. That's the first amp by itself. I'll even go left and right. Left. Right. Okay. Another channel. Left. And we'll go right. Top channel. Bottom channel. And like I said, this input level control down here, I've got the gain set halfway. That way we're not getting crazy. Bass boost about halfway. Let me turn all the speakers back on. So there's your high level input, low level input. It's kind of a nice feature for this amplifier. We got our low pass. I don't think it'll pick it up on the video here, since I have the gain set really low frequency. They're set to 50 right now. turn this bass boost off. We don't really need that right now. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, all seems to work. I don't really know what's wrong with it. I know we hooked it up to a 4 ohm load the other night. We were getting, about what it's rated, about 300 watts out of it. That's bridged, of course. This amp will do 4 channels, or it'll do 2 channels bridged. And just to prove that the other thing is working, here you go. I'll just swap these over. And that's just this channel. It will not phase to the front. Yeah, see? There you go. And that might have been what happened. So, I'm not sure. Because when this phasing button is pushed right here, if I can get this thing to work. I'm using my phone again, guys. Sorry about this. Because I don't know where the memory card is for the 4K camera. Anyway, when you push that on with no input on this channel, it's gonna cut this side off. So there you go. We'll get that out of there. You go. But that's the back channel amp, or amp number 2, as it says there. It's those 2 speakers on top. That seems to work just fine. So we get a different track here. So that's the top 2 speakers by themselves. We'll move this over. Oh. I really like these cables, but they're hard to get off sometimes. That's the bottom 2. So, like I said, that phasing button, it's kind of neat. You don't have to have, you don't have to run 4 cables to run this amplifier. I could. This head unit here puts out front and back. But, just to show you guys that it's kind of a neat feature this amplifier has. Anyway, not much more to say about this amplifier. Except it works, so we're gonna call it good. And always like it when you guys comment and like the videos. If you don't like them, just don't like them. That's fine too. It lets me know what you guys are into. But anyway, like I said, please, like, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're not getting notifications, there's a little icon, gear icon, next to the subscribe button down here that you click on that, and it will there's a little checkbox for notifications. It'll send you emails. Anyway, other than that, I think this amplifier is good to go, and we will get the parts ordered for the Rockford Fosgate 401S. I've had some issues with my main employer, so we finally got that straightened out. And here's a little shot of the back of the box. I put a terminal strip on here. You get your power wires. This is an old computer power supply. Then we got our terminal strip here with all the different channels. This head unit actually has one channel that doesn't work, so it's actually perfect for this. And it's got, it's got an output here and an output there, and front and rear. It only is a CD player though. It doesn't do digital media. It's fine for what I do here. And some of you might remember I bought this this cheap goofy thing, and I know some of you were like, well, why don't you use that? It's got USB and SD card. Well, I don't think it has as good a quality audio-wise as this old Sony here does. Anyway, with that, we're going to close this video up, and seems to work alright. I don't know what the problem was with the settings or something else, but the amp seems to work just fine. So, anyway, I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and please come back often for videos. I do post to Facebook and Twitter pictures and plans when I plan to work on amplifiers, decks, speakers, whatever I do. It's usually electronic related or audio related. With that, just check out BP Car Audio on Facebook groups and at BP Car Audio on Twitter. It's down in the description. And thanks for watching.